Hi everyone, so if you have used the Galaxy S2 or a Galaxy S3, then you're probably familiar with this live wallpaper which you're seeing here. As you can see, it is a field with windmills which are actually moving, and this wallpaper was built in on the Galaxy S2 and the Galaxy S3. In this video I'm going to show you how to install this APK file to your Galaxy S4 Mini if you want to use this live wallpaper. This wallpaper's scene and weather changes depending on what your current weather conditions are. So basically, if you have AccuWeather installed and you have set your location, if at your location is raining, you have a raining background. If you have snow, it will snow. If it's night, it's gonna be night with stars and so on. It's really beautiful. Now I'm actually gonna show you two variants. One is from the Galaxy S2 and the other is from the Galaxy S3. I also want to let you know that both of these have their advantages and disadvantages. Since I'm currently using the Galaxy S3 live wallpaper variant, I'm gonna show you its advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages are the positioning of the big windmill and the little windmill are perfect. And not only that, the quality is also perfect and you do not have the watermark here which says AccuWeather. But the disadvantage here is that you cannot customize it. Basically in settings, I believe you should have the ability to change the update interval of the weather information. So if you head into, sorry, not this one. So if you head into the wallpaper and you head into settings, it will close. So as you can see, it doesn't seem to work. So this is the only disadvantage of the Galaxy S3 variant live wallpaper. And here we have the Galaxy S2 variant live wallpaper. Now personally to me this looks a bit more blurry, and like I mentioned earlier, the positioning is a bit bad. You can see the little windmill only shows half and the big windmill is here and not kind of on the center there. And even if you swipe through pages, you can see it all stays in one place. You also get this ugly watermark here at the top. This can actually be removed very easily by modifying a simple image inside the APK file. Anyways, these are the disadvantages. The advantages, like I said, in this one are that you can actually open up the settings and you can change the update settings for the time interval when you want the weather to change and so on. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours and so on. Now I guess it's time to show you how to install this. So download the APK file into your SD card and use a root browsing tool such as Root Explorer, S-File Explorer and so on. Once you're in the root directory, you then need to head into your storage directory, which in most cases is called SD card. This is the internal storage, or if you have placed the APK in your external SD card, it should be called EXT SD card or something of that sort. Anyways, I'm going to locate the weather file now. Here it is. So simply copy or move this file like this. Now head back into the root directory, head into System, App, sorry about that, System, App, and paste it. Now look for that file because we need to change the permissions. For example, weather, like this, and here is the file. Now long press on this and select permissions. This is what the box should look like. Set it like this, choose OK, exit the application, and now reboot your Galaxy S4 Mini. Now when the phone starts up, you'll get a message Android is upgrading. Do not worry, this is because you have just placed a new system application in the directory. And there we go, as you can see. Once you get past that message, you go to your home screen, set wallpaper, home screen, choose live wallpapers, select the wallpaper, set it, and you're good to go. So lastly, if you do not want to use any of these two and want a bit more customizations, then you can try out this other wallpaper. Let me just head into my live wallpapers. I have it installed actually. It's 3D, it's called 3D weather live wallpaper. This is basically the same like this one. It looks a bit different. You have a bit more windmills placed on the field, but it's definitely kind of the same. So this is what you get, and as you can see, it also offers quite a few more customizations than the default two windy weather APKs which I showed you earlier. And that is all, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, as there will be more helpful videos like this in the future. Also, I would highly recommend to check out this other channel that I have. I do app reviews, I comment on things, I show you various tips and tricks on stuff. So yeah, you can check it out if you like. Once again, thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.